Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. In the previous day, as you can see, the Nifty was completely in one channel. So today it broke that complete channel. So yesterday it made a retest on that channel. So after that it broke the previous one strong resistance level today, and after that it took another resistance which was near at around 19,800. So this will act as strong resistance for tomorrow also. So, and one more thing that we have to check where the market opens on tomorrow. If it opens flat and if it breaks today's high, we can expect further up move. So it can take another resistance, so which is at this level, which is at 19,880 level. This will act as resistance too. And if tomorrow opens flat and if it breaks today's low, we can expect the gap to be covered on tomorrow. So tomorrow Fed meeting is there. Fed meeting is there. So we have to check where Dow Jones and Nasdaq will close. So if Dow Jones and Nasdaq will close in negative, we can expect the gap down to be happen on tomorrow, and it can cover the gap and it can take support of this level also, which is at 19,640. Now we check with Bank Nifty. As you can see in Bank Nifty, the complete one up move which was happened today. So tomorrow if it opens flat and if it breaks the previous day's high, we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty. So which is at level, so 46,100, which will act as resistance on tomorrow. Or else if it opens flat, and one more thing is like, which is completely the Bank Nifty which is completely moving in a channel. So if it opens flat or if it opens a gap down and breaks these levels, so these levels are 45,800, 45,700, then we can expect further downside movement by doing the price action we can expect. So one more thing, like we have a strong support, we can take it as 45,600, which will act as support 3. This one support 1, this one support 2. So we have to check where the market opens because of Fed meeting. So if Fed meeting any changes which is not happened, we can expect further upside movement, or else if they change interest rate, we can expect like a gap down or downside movement on tomorrow. Now we will check with Fin Nifty. As you can see in Fin Nifty, the complete sideways movement, complete one sideways movement which has happened in Fin Nifty chart. So on tomorrow if it opens and if it breaks this higher level, we can expect further up move, and we can take this 20,620 as 625 around level as the resistance, or else if it opens and breaks this level, so which is at 20,500, which will act as support, we can expect further downside movement and it can come till 20,420 level. This is the levels for tomorrow for Fin Nifty. So one more information is like today, so as you can see the Reliance, the stock which has moved around, so 1.62% up, and one more thing is like L&T, Cipla and ITC which performed well today, so which gave around 3% and more than 2%. So now we will check with the stocks. So as you can see in Reliance, which was completely in uptrend moment, so because of the demerge, so the market fell. So now which is exactly at the resistance level. So from last 2 days it was completely sustaining the support levels. On tomorrow if it breaks this levels, means today's high, we can expect further up move till this level, so which is at 2640. This will act as resistance, or else if it opens flat or in the further coming days, if it breaks this support level strongly, we can expect further downside in Reliance stock. So, and one more stock that I want to tell, which is Infosys. In Infosys, which is in completely uptrend due to corporate results which gave gap down. So after that, it's sustaining at the higher level. This one we can take it as like a trend line. This is completely in like showing the upside movement. So one more thing is like previously at the same almost near level, we can see the breakout which was happened. Means at this level the buyers came strongly. So at the same level also nearest the now Infosys is there. So on tomorrow, if it breaks this higher level, we can expect further up move and it can cover the gap. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next market analysis. Thank you.